Hello and welcome back to your engineer YouTube channel. We are here presenting a course on HTML and CSS. This is lecture number 24, and in this lecture we are going to talk about selectors. So let's start. Selectors are very important topic in terms of CSS. If you are ever going to code on Angular or React or any time, you are using CSS because CSS is very crucial and very important thing for styling. Nothing can beat CSS in styling, whether it's React, whether anything. CSS is very good at styling. You can explore more and more on CSS. So selectors are very important. Selectors are, as its name suggests, selector. It selects some particular markup tag. So if I want to, like if I'm giving P1, P2, like 3 or 4 paragraph, and I just want to style one paragraph tag, then I am using selectors. How we are going to do it? Let's see. So I am going to write here a paragraph, para1, para2, para3. Now save it. Once I save it, you can see there para1, para2 and para3 are there. Now I am going to put a styling on paragraph. So this, whatever we saw up to today and whatever CSS styling we put up to today, that are called element selector. Always remember it. This is called element selector. So here in P I am going to give like color is in green. Now save it. If I save it, you can see that everything becomes green. Now I am going to just, I want that this para1 written, this should be in green color, not para2 and para3. For that we are going to use different kind of selectors like ID selectors, class selectors. Then only these two kinds of thing actually. So there are 3 kind of selectors that are very important. First is the element selector, second is ID selector, third is class selector, and fourth one not very important, but it gives you so much exploration, that is universal selector. We will talk about it later. So let's see, if I want just to style this para1, so here I can give in P ID is equals to, let's say, para1. Give any name you want. Now if I want to create styling on this para1 only, all I have to give for ID selector is hashtag. A hashtag before the ID name is always used. So para1. Now save it. If you save it, you see that only para1 is in green color, para2 and para3 is not in green color. But one more, so that is how ID selector work. Now if I want to class selector, I can just give here class. Now save it. And for class selector, instead of hashtag, always dot is going to be used. That is very important part. So now again just save it, and you can see that para1 is in color, para2 and para3 is not color. But what is the difference between class selector and ID selector? Why we are using class selector? So for ID selector, you can use one ID at a time. So if I am going to use para1 as a ID, I can't use this exact ID to any other place. But what if I want this para1 and para3 in one style? That's how can we do from ID selector, because ID is always a unique selector. So then we are going to use class selector. What is class? Like say that there are 50 people, 60 people who are going to learn HTML, and what teacher does is, teacher put all of them in class and start teaching. So they all are getting the same lesson, whatever everyone is getting from 1 to 50 people. So that's how class selector works. So I'm giving class para1 here. I'm also giving class para1 here. Now save it. Now once you save it, you can see that para1 and para3 is in color, but para2 is not in color. That's how class selector work. Now what is universal selector? For universal selector, all we have to do is give a star here. So in the element side, I have to give a star and then save it. You will see that all para1, para2 and para3 all are in green color. So that's how you can apply styling on specific markup. Whatever markup, whatever tag you want, you can put styling on it by using selectors. That is all about selectors. So, and there is always preference of selector. Class selector is always greater than ID selector and then element selector. Always remember that. So class selector is always high in priority, then ID selector is second in priority, and element selector is very less in priority. So always remember it. I hope you like this video. So stay tuned. In next video we are going to talk about positioning. And like this video, comment on it if you have any question, share it as much as you can, and do not forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Your Engineer. Thank you very much.